Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you today about the Earn a Kit option. I think it's something that we don't really talk enough about, and I wanted to show you how you can, going forward, offer the Earn a Kit to every single party host and or have the option to give one away with every party that you close. If you're friends with a lot of consultants on Facebook, then you probably see them just about every month openly talk about kits that they have to give away, kits that they are have up for grabs for little to no money out of pocket, and I want to talk you through how we can do that. So whether it's your party that you're closing, another host party that you're closing, you can actually give away and earn a kit with every single party that you close. The most important thing is when you're talking about it on social media, you do not use the verbiage free. The kit is not for free. It was earned, but you can use the verbiage of little to no money out of pocket. Okay? Basically, what I am doing now, every time I'm closing a party, if it's my own personal party, then I'm talking to people on my dream team list. If it is a host party, I obviously offer her the option first. If she turns it down, then I get her permission to share the opportunity in her party with the host exclusive $59 kit. 9 times out of 10, your host is going to be totally fine with that if she or he is not taking the offer. So I'm going to show you right now how you can go about doing that. Okay. On the screen here, this is just a dummy party that I have built for training purposes and to factor out some realtor bundles that I was looking into doing. So right now I have myself as the party host. So the first step is going to be going into editing the details and changing your host to whoever is going to claim that kit. Okay, so that's what you want to do here. I'm not going to change it to anybody's name right now because I don't want to share personal information on here. But this is where you're going to do that. You're going to change your consultant to whoever is claiming the kit. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in your host rewards. Okay. So now keep in mind the person that is getting the host rewards is still going to be your host, whether that's you, whether that's a different party host. They're still going to get the host rewards. Where you want to make it an option to add that kit is you want to leave at least a penny right here in your redeemable host credit. Okay, as long as there is a penny there, then you can type in the host exclusive kit right here. And that is going to then send whoever you change the party information to an email so that they can complete their sign up. Okay, so again, this host kit is going to ship separate from the party, so you don't have to worry about it going somewhere crazy. It's going to go to whoever you set up as the host in step 1. Okay, again, you want to leave at least a penny, not a dollar, a penny right here. Now, obviously, sometimes that can be a little more complicated to do, but as long as you have a little bit of money left over, then you can give a kit away. Okay, then as normal, you are going to key in the half price items. The only difference is you will not be able to close out this party until your new consultant fills out the email, and then you are going to collect her payment, and you'll add that to this party, and then close it out. I hope this was helpful information. I want to encourage every single one of you, as you are closing out parties, give this kit as an option. This Earn a Kit is a true blessing to this business. It's not something that was available when I joined. I joined on the $99 kit. If the Earn a Kit would have been an option then, I probably would have joined a lot sooner. So please, please, please offer this to any and everyone that you can going forward. If you have any questions, you guys know you can reach out to me.